Hello, today we will guide you through how to add multiple shipping options on eBay listing. In this walkthrough, we'll prepare your account so you can support different shipping choices by adding an additional shipping address. This helps when you ship from more than one location or need flexibility for your listings. Start by opening the eBay homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top left of the screen and open your profile menu. This menu gives you quick access to personal and selling tools. From that menu, choose Account Settings. You'll land on a page where you manage your profile, preferences, and addresses. In Account Settings, go to Addresses. This is where eBay stores your shipping details, which are used to calculate delivery options and times at checkout and on your listings. Find your shipping address section and click Edit. This opens your current details and the controls to add another location. Next, select Add Another Address. Adding a second address is useful if you fulfill orders from different warehouses, partner locations, or a seasonal address. It lets eBay offer buyers accurate shipping options based on where the item will ship from. Now enter the name associated with this address. Use a clear, recognizable name so you can easily identify it later, such as a location label or department name. Then enter the street address. Include any apartment, suite, or unit information to avoid delivery issues. Make sure everything matches official postal formatting to help carriers verify the location. Click the state field and choose the correct state or region from the list. Accuracy here matters because it affects shipping rates, estimated delivery windows, and carrier availability. Complete any remaining required fields on the page exactly as they appear on your mail, keeping abbreviations consistent. Once done, take a moment to review every detail. Confirm that spelling, numbers, and formatting are correct, and that this address reflects where you actually plan to ship from. A quick review now prevents return packages and delays later. When you're satisfied, click Save. eBay will store the new address alongside your existing one. With multiple addresses in place, you can align your listings with the appropriate ship from location and, in turn, offer buyers the right mix of services and delivery estimates. If you manage inventory in different places, this setup makes your shipping options more accurate and competitive. That's it. You've successfully added another shipping address in your eBay account, laying the groundwork to support multiple shipping options on your listings.